Presenting Acer Aspire 5 laptop. The Intel Core i5335U processor, Intel Iris X graphics and Windows 11 Home delivers unmatched speed for enabling impressive creating, productivity, and gaming experiences. This laptop has 16 GB memory and 512 GB storage to store your files and media. Experience sharp details and crisp colors on the 15.6-inch Full HD display with IPS technology, Acer ComfyView LED-backlit, 16:9 aspect ratio and 45% NTSC color gamut. The laptop has Type-C with DC in or Thunderbolt 4 port, Type-A port and a Type-A port with power-off charging.